Welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to delete a wallpaper on Android and explain the easiest ways to remove wallpapers you no longer want. Whether it's a downloaded image or a previously used wallpaper, now let's get started. Method 1, Step 1, open your phone's Gallery or Photos app. This is where all your saved images are stored, including wallpapers you downloaded from the internet or other apps. Step 2, locate the image you used as a wallpaper. It's usually found inside the Downloads or Wallpapers folder, making it easier to identify and manage. Step 3, tap the image to open it fully, then tap the delete or trash can icon. This option removes the image from your phone storage. Step 4, confirm by moving it to the recycle bin or trash if prompted. This final confirmation ensures the wallpaper is successfully deleted. Method 2, Step 1, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where display and personalization options like wallpapers are controlled. Step 2. Tap Wallpaper. This section shows current and previous wallpapers and allows you to change your phone's background. Step 3. Tap Change Wallpaper. From here you can apply a new wallpaper to replace the old one. Step 4. Select a new wallpaper. While you usually can't delete wallpapers directly from history, applying several new ones will replace the older wallpapers in the list over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.